All right, family, welcome back to my channel. In this video here, I was asked by family, some brothers of the nation of Yahweh, to create a video showing how we should wrap our heads. It's a male version. I may have a sister come back on and show how the sisters would wrap their heads as well. So I do have a mirror here because I'm wrapping my own head. I always like to see how it looks when I am done, but for the most part, since if you have been doing it for a long time, you somewhat have an idea of how it looks, but still look in the mirror. All right, so I like material, like flexible material that can stretch a little bit. Like I got this material here from Joann's Fabric. All right, so you want it to be, and I don't know if this will fit me or not, depending on how much hair you have on your head. Let's see, you want it to be at least 5 or 6 foot long. And the good thing about it, you want it to be stretchable. Now, if you don't have much hair on your head, it can be shorter, because if you have one that long, it's just gonna wrap multiple times around your head. But I would start off, I would just make sure that the length is the same, like on the ends here. Putting it around my head like this, and then you bring it back around here, okay? And it still should be the same length here. Mine was a little off. You can see I need to check the turn. So what I did was, it was like this. I took it behind me and I crossed over like that. Okay. And yes, you do cover your ears. You don't have to be covered all the way right now, but that's gonna be the goal. All right, so like it might be a little too short for my head. Might have to get a longer one. But you want to make sure, because with males, you want to have that V right up in the middle there, your head. So I try to flatten this a little bit to make sure it don't show any the ends. All right, so this one seems a little too short. Right back here, I need me a chair to spin. This seems a little short, but as I come around, I'm looking for somewhere to tuck. This is too short, so I'm gonna have to go and get another one. But if I tuck it here, it's gonna stay there. Then I come back around here, make sure your end piece, see this the end piece, you don't want this part here showing. So I kind of tuck that in. So when I come back around, and again, as you're coming back around, you're just finding somewhere right up in here to tuck, and that's pretty much your crown. And then if you want to fix it to make sure it's right on your head, once you tuck all that in, you can turn it how you want to. But as you can see, you have that V shape, that V right there. You should be good to go. Let me look at the mirror. Okay, and it does cover up your ears, so yeah, half the time you won't hear anything. I'm just kidding. This is truly our crown. This is what represents us. Email me at author.yeremiah@gmail.com. Or if you have my phone number, you can call me and we can go over this again. I hope this helps. All right, peace and prosperity. Alaikum.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. For books and other spiritual materials, visit www.noistore.com. See you next time.